Morning. We've left Rust now, and I forgot to video this morning where we stayed, but it was basically a campsite. So we're in the mountains now. We're just south of Freiberg. We're gonna head across a bridge if it's open. So I think you use your card or something to do that. But it's a suspension bridge, so we'll see if we can get some tickets for it. There's toilets there, yeah. So get some tickets for it. Yeah, so we'll get both for the waterfall. I'll no. Anyway. That's the suspension bridge that we're going to walk across, and then there's a waterfall for us to see. Don't think that's for you though, Dad, is it? Anyway, we'll see how we go on. So we've gone through. This is the bridge. This is the view down before we go across it. Just I'll show you this.
What a cool bridge that is.
Yeah, it's the right bridge, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then down into, I think they call that Todnow. I think Todnow. I think they do anyway. Okay. So we'll off we go. Just try and get this on me wrist so I don't drop it, or if I drop it I don't lose it. Yes, you have to bear with me a second. That's it. There we go. So this is what we're walking on. This is our view. Do you want to do photos on the way back?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll video it on the way back as well.
Well, I'll video there and then photos back. Alright. There's a waterfall there, I don't know if you can hear it.
Yeah, I'm saying you can hear it.
Which is a bit of a walk as well. But yeah, it's a nice enough walk. Got a little bit of a bounce in it, but not a lot. Have a look over the side. Yeah. Oh, there's a waterfall. The bigger drop this side than what there is the other side. I suppose that just goes to show you how steep we are. We are in skiing country, so there are some ski runs. I'm not seeing any at this particular point, but there definitely are ski runs around here, because we've passed a couple. I wouldn't say there's a big resort, and there's not a lot of snow about at the moment. What do they call this? Blackforest Forest?
Blackforest line.
Blackforest line. Oh, it's got a bit of a sway on it now. Now we're getting near in the middle. It's a bit like when you're on the ferry and you get a bit of when there's a bit of a swell on, shall we say. Let's have a look. How far down at the minute, but yeah, it's certainly got a bit of a kind of a cross between a bounce and a sway from left to right, but it is very much like being on the ferry. Yeah. Yeah, Christie's just said about it swaying. There's the waterfall, so we can walk down to that from up there. So we follow all of these steps all the way down, right the way around, and we can go down and have a look at the waterfall. You can actually get across the valley that way.
It's because it's free of charge at Waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good on that. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah, they charge you to go down to the waterfall, but it's actually free to go down to the waterfall. It's one of them cons that we come across from time to time. But yeah, it definitely gets a bit of a sway on when you get walking on it. I don't know if you can see it moving, look. You see it moving? I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a sway on it. Hey?
Point it down, you see it's even more looking at it.
Yeah, you can see it swaying, look. Yeah. There's a waterfall. We'll go down and have a look at that later. Look down through the grates below you. Pardon?
I didn't think it'd be a swaying bridge.
No. Well, we've been on them swaying before, haven't we? So it's not something that we've not seen before. Yeah. Really strange because it looks like you've still got to get to the middle there, but when you look that way it looks like you've still got to get to the middle there, doesn't it? So, but that walkway, look, it drags all the way down there.
Yeah. Up to the top then.
Or you could get down there.
I want to do that top bit, I want to go down that bit.
You might be able to walk back from there.
No, I'll come back on the bridge.
Okay. This is a pleasant morning anyway. Well, it's actually almost lunchtime, so when you get walking on it and start it swaying properly, it yeah, does get a bit going on it. You tend to walk with your feet apart. You walk like you shit yourself, don't you? Yeah, you don't walk with your feet together, you're kind of walking with your feet slightly apart. Give you a better balance. It's uphill now. You can feel that it's starting to go uphill. So we've got a bit of a walk on that. So nice day though. Really nice day. Yeah. Hi, hi. It's actually more uphill than what you think it is.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's it only looks a little bit, but when you get going on it, you can feel yourself having to push your legs to get up. Yeah. Christine wants to video it going back. We will do that. I might do it slightly different going back and hold my hand over the side all the way back. Cool, I'll tell you what. It's certainly got an uphill bit on it now. Cool. Yeah. They get steeper as well as you get near the end. So it certainly gives your legs a bit of a workout. Pardon? Yeah. Pardon? So you can come on the bridge this way. There we go. There we are. Ooh. Quite a walk that. Okay, we're going to start our way back now, so I thought I'd give you this as a camera angle. I'll try and do it like that so you get the perspective going down. Thought that would give you, I don't know if that's a very good camera angle to do. Gives you a chance to kind of see a bit more of what we see. So that's looking down. This is over the other side. I'll try and switch between sides for you. Get past, there's somebody coming the other way, so I'll get past these. There's a view across the thing. Over the barrier. Just get a bit of a bounce on there, I must admit. Not massively. We've been on ones that bounce more, put it that way. But I think this is the longest one we've been on. What do they call it again? The
Blackforest line.
Called the Blackforest line. Tell you up in the mountains because you get this Swiss cottage style thing once you get in the mountains in Europe. Doesn't matter where you are, but that's what you tend to get. And away we go again. Try to give you a downwards perspective. Oops. Forward and down down on the opposite side. Forward, look back, it's Christine. Yeah. Easy to get down to, hard to get up from. Be a few steps to do today. Give you that as a perspective. This is looking back towards us a bit, but there you go, that's up and around and over the valley and the waterfall again. So we'll show you like this on the outside of the railings. I've got another shot for you to do. I'll just get over the centre of this waterfall here, and then there you go. How's that for a shot? How's that for a shot?
You gotta trust the camera. Don't camera tripod thing.
Yeah. How was that for a shot? I think Christine might want a selfie here if I can get it. So we'll try and get that. Back to the walking. Not sure if you enjoyed that shot or not. But I don't know how it'll turn out because I turned the camera upside down, so who knows? It might give you a very strange perspective. But we're going to start, it gets this way, it gets the most wobble on there in this area. So we're just about halfway, well actually we're past halfway, starting to climb up now. There we are across the valley. Beautiful, beautiful day. Absolutely stunning day. Cold, but not bitterly cold. There you go. Really nice, really nice. A look through the floor. Really, really nice. Walking without. I don't mind something like this as a man-made structure, but we were on the towers, and it's the first time on the tower at one of the, I think it was in Strasbourg, going up the cathedral, and I really didn't like that at all. The big open window things, no, that wasn't for me at all. So we're going to walk that in a minute. Bridge again, and that's it. I think we're there. Okay, we're now going to walk down the thing now to have a look at the waterfall. I can tell you it's pretty steep, this. Okay, we've not come a massive long way, but it is very steep to come down. There's the bridge that we walked across, and you might just be able to see the waterfall through the trees. So hopefully we'll get down to that. It flattens out a tiny little bit here, so we're through the wooded area. That bridge was a nice walk across that bridge, and to be quite honest, it doesn't look much of an uphill bit, but you could certainly feel it on your legs when you was going uphill. We're at the waterfall, quite near to the top. Difficult to see. Can't see the bridge though, weirdly enough. Can't find it through the trees. That's yeah, really nice. Pretty close to the top now, to be fair. And that's it running down. You might now be able to see the bridge through the trees up there, look. They're a lot higher up than what you think it is. There we are. We've come down the waterfall now, so we've walked our way down from up there. Goes past that and then a bit further up, and then there's the bridge. It's right up there, look. We'll go and have a look at that bridge over there. Yeah. I'm going to walk onto this wooden bridge. There's the thingy bridge that we walked across. I think this is a scarier bridge than the one was up there, to be fair. So there's the waterfall. You can go right the way down, you can have a look at it, see it cascading down. You still get right the way down to the bottom to go. There's the bridge up there. I don't know if you can see that for the sun or there. Beautiful day though. I think we're going to have a walk down to the bottom if I know Christine. Look at that coming down there. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll try and give you the same picture as you had before. So there's the waterfall coming down. Don't know how they're going to come out, but I'm sure you'll tell me. Look at that. And there's the suspension bridge up there. We've still got a bit to do, to get down to the bottom. Look, Norwich fans down there at the bottom again, Dad. They get everywhere, these Norwich fans. I think that's twice on holiday we've seen them with the flag, Norwich City flag. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, really, really nice. Oop. Really nice. Still got a fair bit to go yet. Really, really nice. Really nice. And I can tell you, it is a long way back up the top, and it's steep, and that's just half of it, what you can see there. We've actually got to go right over there, so there's a long way to go yet. How spectacular is that? That is fantastic, that. Absolutely fantastic. Across the valley, and directly above our heads is that walkway. We've got to go right up there.